Steps to binding using the Coverbind Accel Flex 5000. First, measure the document to be bound using the cover size selector on the cooling rack and select your cover. Second, load your document into the cover and drop it into the Flex 5000. Third, drop your cover into the Flex 5000, align and jog your sheets into the covers. The binder will start automatically and a tone indicates when the covers can be removed. Fourth, remove the covers from the Flex 5000 and drop into the cooling rack. Once again, make sure your sheets are aligned and jogged into the covers. Fifth, let cool for 2 minutes. Sixth, your document is complete, professionally and securely bound.